To understand why you cannot change your birthday on Snapchat, it is essential to know how the platform handles user data. When you create a Snapchat account, you are required to provide your birth date, which is used to verify your age and ensure compliance with the app's terms of service. Snapchat's policy states that users must be at least 13 years old to create an account, and providing a false birth date is against the terms of service. Once you have entered your birth date during the sign-up process, it is stored in your account information and cannot be changed. The reason for this is to prevent users from misrepresenting their age, which could lead to safety and security issues. Snapchat takes the safety of its users seriously, especially minors, and the fixed birth date helps to ensure that users are interacting with others in their appropriate age group. If you have entered an incorrect birth date during the sign-up process, you may be able to contact Snapchat support to correct the issue. However, this is typically only possible in certain circumstances, such as if you are unable to access certain features due to an incorrect age verification. It is crucial to provide accurate information when creating a Snapchat account to avoid any potential issues. If you are having trouble with your account due to an incorrect birth date, it is recommended that you reach out to Snapchat support directly for assistance. By understanding Snapchat's policies and guidelines, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable experience on the platform.